Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce a brand new add-on for Blender, MCX Append Asset Pro. As a 3D artist, you probably have your own asset libraries tailored to your workflow. Every day, we find ourselves appending new assets into our project scenes. Normally, Blender doesn't provide any tool to preview the shape or look of an object directly from the asset library. Because of this, we often have to blind by just picking a random asset, deleting it if it's not what we need, and repeating the process until we finally find the right one. Imagine dealing with an asset library of hundreds or even thousands of objects. This process becomes an absolute nightmare. And honestly, it still is a nightmare for most of us. With the MCX Append Asset Pro add-on, you can now completely eliminate this guesswork. The add-on allows you to batch generate thumbnails and display them right inside your project scene. You can visually inspect your assets and pick the exact object you need in just a single click. First, specify the path to your asset library by clicking on the folder icon at the very top. Next, click Load to let the system import your library. Please note that the very first time you use it, no images will be displayed. You will need to click on the camera icon here. If you're running on a lower-end PC, it is best to select only 4 to 5 assets at a time. Trying to render too many at once might crash a weaker system. This is because the system will access your asset files, automatically set up a camera and lighting, adjust the appropriate parameters, and find the perfect angle to snapshot the object for your thumbnail. For future users, you won't need to re-render these images unless the asset's geometry has changed. This star button here is for saving your favorites. You can check it for the assets you use frequently. To find them later, simply click the icon next to the search bar and the filter will only display your favorites list. If you leave the search bar blank, all your favorites will show up. If you type in a specific keyword, only the favorite assets matching that keyword will appear. And this button is for editing tags. Click on it to add custom tags that are easy for you to remember, making your searches even faster. One more thing to keep in mind, you should keep only one asset per blend file. This ensures that every single asset gets its own unique thumbnail, making it significantly faster for you to identify and find exactly what you're looking for. This add-on is an absolute must-have on your computer if you are using Blender. I've left a link to download the add-on for free in the comment section below.